In this video, we'll talk about adding text and then adding additional slides to your slide deck. So on most slides, there's going to be text box already put in there. So I just click there to add my title. So how to use Google Slides. And then take my subtitle by Craig Haviland. So I can click in those boxes. So as I go down, so if I want to, I'm going to add an additional slide now. So in order to add an additional slide, if I click right here, I can hit new slide, and then I can also click here and pick which layout I want on my new slide. So you can see the different layouts. Also, if I go up here to slide, I can click new slide. I can duplicate slides. I like this. It's kind of a quick way to do it. And I can also pick the layout that I want. So maybe I want to go here, title and body for my second slide. It'll add that slide right there. So again, the text boxes are already there, and I can just click in here and start typing. Step 1. And then it'll add that to it. If there's no text box, and if I add a blank one, let's add a blank slide here. Down here, and I want to add a text box, there's a quick little text box tool right here. If I click on it, it'll give me that plus sign. I can click and drag, and it'll form a box there, and it'll allow me to start typing in that box. Text box number 1. And that way I can create text boxes the size that I want them. They may not fit with the exact layout that I have, or if I'm trying to move things around my screen, I can create text boxes for the size that I need them. So that's how you add text and how you add additional slides.